All right, a little something like that. Welcome back to Driveway. This is part of my driveway. Or at least it is now. So, I've been up to quite a bit of stuff. This is one of them. And hopefully, that will get us rolling for future videos. So, yeah. Let's just head on into the shop and take a look at what we've been working on off the camera and go from there. It's been quite a bit, and hopefully I'll get operating here with some new projects now that I have a spot to park a couple things. So I gotta get my big white truck parked over here, so I got enough room to get that old flat nose over here so we can put that Hemi in there. So, lots of stuff to do. Let's just hopefully start getting into it. Alright, so on the garage side, not much has changed. We got the air compressor set up here on the front, next to the front door. It used to be tucked away in the back. So that's a little bit of change there. Inside the garage, we just got our usual operation going on. So that's not too bad. The real magic is over on the other side. So let's just go take a look at that. Alright, over on this side, we're making progress. Things are looking pretty nice. So, what we got going on? I wired up a whole bunch of lights into a drop ceiling. Got our walls looking pretty decent. So, I'm getting pretty happy with how things are progressing here. I've got a lot of junk to start moving around and a little more adjustments here and there. Get some more of the sections for the ceiling, but honestly, I'm liking how it's going, and I might be able to continue on and get progressing into the other stuff of life, so that will be nice. Anyways, I got more cleaning in here to do. Our gravel pit's pretty decent. Need to probably get another load in there, but we can probably do that next year. Just need to get that truck set up over there so we can get rolling there. I've been up to a lot of stuff, so yeah. Alright, well that's pretty much going to do it for today. Once again, thanks for stopping by and watching. Hopefully, we'll see you around later.